Oh! Huh?
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Marshall County in Middle Tennessee, Southeastern Lawrence County in Middle Tennessee, Maury County in Middle Tennessee, Southeastern Williamson County in Middle Tennessee, Giles County in Middle Tennessee, until 9:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:10 a.m. Central Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Columbia to near Lexington, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Columbia, Lewisburg, Pulaski, Spring Hill, Mount Pleasant, Thompson Station, Chapel Hill, Cornersville, Minor Hill, Lineville, Culleoka, I-65 east of Columbia, Goodspring, and Prospect. This includes the following highways: Interstate 65 between mile markers 15 and 61. Interstate 840 between mile markers 27 and 37. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 p.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Pipkins.